Hey there, fellow travelers. Today we're rediving into the ultimate guide to booking your dream private island getaway without breaking the bank. Think luxurious seclusion without the hefty price tag. Yep, you heard that right. We're making private island living a reality for everyone. Thankfully, there are plenty of websites and platforms where you can find your dream island getaway without spending a fortune. Here are some of the best places to start your search. Airbnb. Here are some warning signs to look out for when renting a private island. Whether you're traveling solo, as a couple, with family or friends, these tips will help you secure the perfect island getaway without breaking the bank. With careful planning and smart booking, you can find a secluded and unforgettable getaway that fits your budget. From defining your island experience to watching out for hidden costs and utilizing money-saving tips, we've covered all the essentials. So now it's time to start planning your dream island escape. Use the resources and tips we've shared to find the perfect private island rental and create unforgettable memories. Thanks for joining us on this journey to paradise. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more affordable luxury tips. Share your thoughts in the comments and start planning your own private island getaway today. Happy travels. Ready to take the plunge and book your very own private island getaway? Here are some pro tips to help you secure the best deal possible. Split the cost with friends. Renting a private island with a group of friends can significantly reduce the cost per person. With many islands accommodating 6 to 8 guests, you can split the expenses and enjoy a luxurious retreat without breaking the bank. Book midweek instead of weekends. If you're flexible with your travel dates, consider booking your island stay during the week. Midweek bookings, typically Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, often come with lower rates compared to weekend stays. Take advantage of these savings and enjoy a fantastic island getaway at a discounted price. Use cashback or rewards credit cards. Using the right credit card can earn you valuable rewards and cash back on your private island booking. Look for cards that offer travel benefits and sign up for any relevant promotions or bonus offers. These rewards can add up quickly, making your dream island stay more affordable than ever. Sign up for deal alerts. To stay informed about the latest deals and discounts on private island rentals, subscribe to email alerts from rental sites. This way you'll be notified when prices drop or special offers become available, ensuring you snag the best possible rate for your dream island getaway. Ask hosts for packages that include food or activities. Many private island hosts offer packages that include meals, activities, or other perks. Inquire about these options and see if they can tailor a package to fit your needs and budget. These packages can provide excellent value and enhance your island experience without additional cost. Look for listings that lack verified reviews or have photos of bathrooms or kitchens. Sudden cancellation history. These are common tactics used by scammers to lure unsuspecting victims. By being aware of these warning signs, you can protect yourself from potential scams and ensure a safe and enjoyable travel experience. Airbnb is a popular platform with a wide range of unique accommodations, including private islands. Use keywords like private island, entire place, and off-grid to filter your search and find the perfect island for you. They offer a curated selection of waterfront retreats and island escapes that are sure to impress. PrivateIslandsOnline.com. As the name suggests, this website is dedicated to private island rentals worldwide. It's a great resource for finding secluded and luxurious getaways that are off the beaten path. Booking.com is a well-known travel website with a vast selection of accommodations. Use the private beachfront filters to find private islands that meet your criteria. Facebook groups. There are several Facebook groups dedicated to private island rentals. Joining these groups will give you access to a community of like-minded travelers and hosts who can help you find the perfect island getaway. Once you've identified some potential islands, it's time to start browsing listings and comparing prices. Be sure to read the description thoroughly. Check out the photos and look for discounts or special offers. With a little research, you'll be well on your way to finding the perfect private island stay within your budget. So whether you're a couple seeking romance, a family craving quality time, or a group of friends looking for an unforgettable adventure, this video is your passport to paradise. Here are some essential details to keep in mind. Boat transfer. Many private islands are only accessible by boat, so clarify whether the rental price includes a boat transfer or if your LL need to arrange and pay for it separately. Meal. Determine whether the island stay includes meals or if it's a self-catering option. If you're planning to cook your own meals, ensure that the kitchen is well equipped with the necessary amenities. Electricity. Check if the island has electricity and how it's powered. Some islands may have solar power or generators, while others may not have any electricity at all. Minimum stay. Some private islands require a minimum stay, typically 3 to 7 nights. Be sure to check the minimum stay requirements and plan accordingly. Cleaning and service fees. In addition to the nightly rate, there may be extra charges for cleaning or other services. Inquire about these fees up front to avoid any surprises. By being aware of these potential issues, you can avoid any unpleasant surprises and ensure a hassle-free island getaway. Remember to communicate with the host and ask any questions you may have about the property, amenities, or the surrounding area. With a little preparation, you can secure the perfect private island rental and enjoy your dream getaway without any worries. By the end of this session, you'll be armed with the tools to find stunning islands at unbeatable prices. We're talking hidden gems, insider secrets, and savvy booking strategies that will make your island dreams come true. So grab a notepad, get ready to take notes because we're about to embark on a journey that will redefine your travel game forever. Let's dive in. Okay, so let's break down how to book a private island stay. We'll cover everything from choosing the perfect island to locking in the best deals. We'll also share some of our top picks for budget-friendly islands that won't break the bank. So sit back, relax, and let's make some travel magic happen. Now, before you start browsing listings, it's crucial to have a clear idea of what you want from your island experience. This will help narrow down your options and ensure you find the ideal spot for your needs and budget. Consider these key questions. Why do you want to stay on a private island? Are you looking for a romantic retreat, an adventurous escape, or a chance to unwind and soak up the sun? Who are you going with? A private island can host anywhere from 2 to 10 guests, sometimes even more. So consider whether it's a solo trip, a couple's getaway, a family vacation, or a trip with friends. Knowing this will help you determine the size of the island and the number of bedrooms you will need. What kind of atmosphere are you hoping for? Do you want a rustic getaway, a luxurious escape, or something in between? Are there any specific activities you want to enjoy during your stay, such as snorkeling, hiking, or simply relaxing on the beach? Having a clear vision of your desired island experience will make the booking process much smoother and ensure you find the perfect spot for your dream getaway. Plus, knowing your preferences will help you narrow down your search and make a more informed decision when choosing an island. So take some time to reflect on these questions and get excited for your upcoming adventure. Now that you've defined your ideal island experience, it's time to start browsing listings. When booking a private island, there are a few things to watch out for to ensure a smooth and enjoyable stay. Before confirming your booking, it's wise to watch out for certain red flags that could indicate a potential issue. Alright, now that you know what to watch out for, let's talk about how to book your dream private island. To sum up, booking a private island doesn't have to be expensive.